Good day, everybody. It's Mr. Metcalf from my Reading Corner. I'm here to bring you another story. I'm hearing such great feedback from everybody that you like the stories, so I'm going to continue to bring them to you. I thought, since we know so many sight words now, and we're getting ready for first grade by learning our sight words, that we would talk about some, just a couple, before we read our story today. Both of these words are in this story. They go throughout the story. So I want you to try to find these as we read today. Okay, the first one I have, what is this sight word? The or the. Most people say the, but some of my friends like to say the. So the or the. Also, what is this one? Okay, on. We're going to look for the word on, and we're going to look for the word the. All right, let's get started. Bear snores on. It's already there. Written by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair, and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. So I hope you enjoyed that story. I'm sure that you saw our sight word "the" throughout the book. I'm sure you saw our sight word "on" throughout the book. So whether you're reading about Bear or any book, notice your sight words. You know so many now. Try to notice them and remember them when you read. Bear is pretty awesome, and I hope you have enjoyed his story today. I hope you have a great rest of your day or a good night if you're watching this before bed. I will see you next time from my reading corner.